Hey, what's up guys? This is Akshay from AS Learning and today we'll be seeing about Perplexity Pages. So Perplexity on 30th May launched their new product Perplexity Pages and they are in straight competition with Google Docs, Microsoft Word, Notion. So let's see what is the X factor and how Perplexity Pages differentiate itself from other document writing SaaS products. Okay, so here they use term like new thread. I can ask anything. Okay, I have some focus. Okay, so your focuses means that it will search across internet, academic if I want to write some academic pages, writing in general, Wolfram Alpha, something related to computational knowledge engine, YouTube and Reddit. Okay, so I'll keep it across the internet and let me start with India. Okay, I'm also getting searches here. India versus Pakistan in T20. It's quite latest. I'm not sure whether the agent will pick it, although it should because it is referencing the web, so there will be links for this match on web. So India versus Pakistan in T20 match. Want to write an article on it for newspaper. Let's see. Now India versus Pakistan T20 match, want to write an article on it for newspaper. It searched these four sources. I think there are two more: TOI, Hindustan Times, NDTV, Indian Express, and then we have an answer. Okay, so quite good words being built up. Let's see, did it hallucinated or not? Indian team emerged victorious by 6 runs. It is exactly right. The match was played on Nassau County, right? And pitches, exactly right. Exorbitant ticket prices, the build up from recent loss. Okay, Babar Azam, he's right, was seeking to break their losing streak. The match was also significant to cricket governance. Okay, got off to a slow start. Virat and Rohit Sharma struggling to find footing, however, eventually found his rhythm, scoring 13 of Shaheen Shah Afridi, Kohli, and leaving India in a precarious situation at 12.2. Yes, he is not hallucinating. I think it is scraping all the data which is present here in this link, and from that it has generated this entire article. And I think it's right. It just created a very beautiful article from the 5 links which are available on net. Let me see those 5 links. These are the 5 links: Olympics, India Today. Okay, great. Search images, search videos, search generate images. I think search videos will do a search on YouTube for the same topic. Some top videos on YouTube. Search images would do a Google search, and generate image, there might be a DALI API. Okay, not DALI. Not sure if DALI would be here. DALI won't be here because it's perplexity.ai. Maybe something which they have of their own. Okay, but it's not available for free. You have to upgrade to Pro. So let me upgrade for Pro. I have some 5 chances. And okay, it will still ask me for billing. Okay, so what I can do next is I created an article. Maybe I want to create 4-5 articles and then generate one. So I'll just do add to collection. I'll just say T20 matches summary. Okay, if there's an emoji, maybe a cricket emoji. Okay, description is all optional. Okay, so now I've created a collection. From here I can delete the thread. They call this entire thing as a single thread. From here I can share an article. Secret, only author can view. Okay, shareable link, shareable to everyone, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and here also I think a copied link sharing. Okay, Then here we have an app, I guess. Yes, you have an app here. Here we can discover some already created articles. Okay, this is the view count and I think the shares, and this here I'm on the home link. Okay, and this is my thread which I created. Okay, so in short, it is generating the entire article. Cool. And maybe there's the option of ask follow-up. Let me ask the questions. Who was the man of the match? Okay, who was the man of the match? The fielder of the the fielder of the match for India versus Pakistan wasn't explicitly mentioned in our provided sources, but I didn't ask for fielder of the match. I asked for okay. The question itself is wrong. Who was? Let me ask. Who scored most runs from India? Okay. Okay, it is giving me a generalized answer that the person who scored most runs for India is Sachin Tendulkar. It is doing a new search. Okay, let me see if memory feature is there. And no, I am asking from the article on India versus Pakistan created above. Let's see if it understands. The person who scored the most, I think it got it now, but it treated this as a separate question. Okay, I think who scored most runs from India. It is subjective, right? We cannot say this answer is wrong. Yeah, even here I will say that the question itself was wrong. Okay, so this is what we get in Perplexity Pages. You can generate the images, videos, search images, upload new images also. This I'm currently using the free version. You get a pro version for generating images and doing, I think the pro gives you more searches. It reloads every 4 hours. Okay, right now not many people might be using this. It's not yet popular, but slowly people will start using it. This is good. Perplexity Pages is really good. I think the free tool will be used by everyone if they want to create the first draft of the article, and maybe from that article they might create a new article. But can I edit it? Can I edit it? Yes, I can. I can copy it from here. I can edit the query. View sources, report. But if I want to edit it, I don't want to edit the query. I want to edit the article. Can I edit it? I can't edit it. Okay, this will be a setback, I guess, because if someone is writing an article, he would want to edit it. Maybe that is not the intention. It is creating a pages. You can use it. Maybe you can copy this entire text, put it in Google Docs or some other software in Notion, and then edit it. I think that is what the X factor they are trying to do, because they have not given the edit and the other formatting options. They are creating articles from you with the feature of searching on web, like a agentic page creation. Interesting. Okay, so if you found it useful, do check and start using Perplexity Pages if you want to write a blog. Okay, and stay tuned to AS for more such amazing tech stuff. Take care. Peace out.